Ooh.
First law of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that an object remains in a state of rest, or of uniform motion, in a straight line, unless compelled to change that state by an applied force. As per the law, every body has some inertia. Hence, the first law of motion is also known as the law of inertia. Do you know what is inertia? Inertia is the natural tendency of an object to resist a change in its state of rest, or of uniform motion. Let us now understand Newton's first law of motion with the help of a few activities. Make a pile of books. Quickly take out the book at the bottom of the pile. When the book at the bottom is removed, the inertia of the other books make them fall on the table. This is inertia of rest. Now, we shall consider another activity. Here is a toy trolley, filled with toys in it. The trolley is moving down at a constant speed. As the trolley stops suddenly, the toys fall forward. This happens because, when the trolley stops suddenly, the objects present in the trolley are still in the state of motion, due to inertia. They fall forward, because the motion of the trolley stops suddenly. To overcome the inertia, and make an object move from rest, we must apply an external force. However, all bodies do not have same inertia. For example, it is easier to push an empty box than a box full of books. Also, if we kick a football, it flies away. But, if we kick a stone of the same size, with equal force, it hardly moves. Moreover, while doing so, it may injure our feet. From these examples, we can say that a greater force is required to move a heavier object, or a heavier object has lesser tendency to change the state of motion. So, it is clear that heavier, or more massive objects offer larger inertia. Thus, the mass of an object is a measure of its inertia.